So there are different ways of knowing that are really important to understanding why people change their behavior and why practices can change and improve. And those different ways of knowing come from different disciplines, most of which are in the social sciences. Family medicine is a medical discipline that I think has really grown because it can draw from different disciplines. And part of the thinking behind the pre-conference was to try to bring together a few, there was no way we were going to represent all different vantage points, but to bring together a few that would stimulate some conversation and some thinking about how they might inform, not just thinking about how we conceptualize practice change, but also how we think about learning and knowing about it and studying it. So Jeff Borkin and his team, I think, really approached this from an anthropological perspective. They absolutely used mixed methods. So they used both qualitative and quantitative data in their work, but they are focused on understanding how change happens and helping facilitate it. And then also importantly, understanding what happens. Gurdjieff's work focuses on patient safety, and that's another really important perspective to think about when we think about improving our organizations. And finally, Jim has some really practical approaches and thoughts about how to actually think about measurement in a way that is clinically relevant to the folks in the practices. So the idea was to try to bring these different perspectives together and empower the attendees to start using some of them to think about some practical strategies that they might use when designing evaluations.